up, guys? It's your boy Joe Ratchet here. I am in the streets of SF, and today I'm gonna be wearing a wig. I'm gonna wear a wig throughout my day in SF here thrifting. I'm here with Liz and Nick. This is gonna be one of my daily vlogs. So a part of my daily vlog is gonna be telling myself that I look beautiful and feel beautiful. That's the tea. Tell yourself that every day. Come here. You're gay? I fucking knew it, dude. Oh my god. A lot of people will be scared here. A lot of people. And I can name them. Jacob is out and about. We are on the streets of Haight in San Francisco. First stop that we're going to do thrifting at is gonna be Wasteland. Like, thousands of people have already looked at me. Everyone's judging me. You look good.
That wig's cute. For you.
People are hella judging me though, like even the workers and shit. It's not a wig. Okay. Trying on hats. Cute or nah?
It's like Willy Wonka meets Lil Jon.
He's judging me.
Your style's lacking. Give it up. I think I'm gonna get this because, you know, I'm a sweet treat too.
Trying on glasses. I think these ones, I really like how I look through them. Like I could really read you. Choices. Oh my god, I look like Ozzy Osbourne. Sharon! Everybody looking at me.
Everybody testing
my patience.
And then, boom, Demi Lovato.
I'm so cute, huh? So we relined my hair while Liz is getting some ice cream. I think it's a little better.
Maybe.
This bitch, I'm trying to get in my vlog and shit. Like, she was literally like judging me and shit. I'm like, I could tell. So something that I will say with having this on is that people definitely look at me a lot more. Like, I'm sorry I look like damn Tarzan and Jane over here. Oh, hey Liz. Excuse me. All right, everyone. So it was fun wearing this cute little bob or whatever. It's not even a bob. Take home of the day is love yourself for who you are, and no matter if people are judging you or always look at you, just know that you are that bitch and you are the main character in your storyline, okay? So always be that bitch, be confident, because today I was not feeling myself, but I was also feeling myself. But overall, definitely. Oh.
I forgot where we parked.
Oh man, I got dizzy. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little daily vlog. We did not get anything at thrifting here at Haight in San Francisco, but maybe next time. Peace out, y'all. When I leave, you want to keep doing this, but when I come around, you don't want to post up.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
We out here in the streets of San Francisco. Say what's up if you're ever in the Bay Area, okay? Peace out, y'all.